what we're going to do is we're going to pull that stove off of that truck. Got the strap already on it. We'll use the back bucket. Then we're going to see if we can get it into the living room.
We are taking the old stove that Mom is by and bring it in the house with the backhoe. What are you doing, Dad?
I'm going to get this pin out. The bushings are wore down in here, so my pin is kind of tight. Actually very tight. I need something to drive it out. Maybe another pin. I'll be right back.
All right. concentrating.
Everybody took a lunch break, which turned into a long lunch, and here we are getting the cook stove in. We had to take the top apart. It was a lot easier. I was afraid of cracking the top and having a hard time getting it in here. And as you can see, my bucket, it's not actually in the kitchen, but it's going to be coming in. I might end up having to push the backhoe back further, drop the arm down so I can twist it and squeeze it right in. And I think I can get this sucker in. It is very, very heavy. We're going to just fortunately bring it right over here. It's kind of dark in here right now, but we're going to put a hole through the wall for the wood stove and have a secondary. Most likely it's going there. There's one other spot that I was thinking of. But anyhow, it definitely needs a lot of restoration work, but I got it dirt cheap. And as always with everything, we've blown it out outside. You can see all the ash on the ground. Max had even said something about leaving it out and sandblasting it outside first and then bringing it in, but we'll see what we can do. I think it disassembles completely. We can take it apart, sandblast it, and put it back together. So far, so good. Here's an outside shot of trying to squeeze her in. Sooner or later, it's got to go in. Can't stay like this forever. But, I don't know. All right. Getting a little closer. We're going to squeeze her in with a board, because otherwise I got to move the backhoe closer to the house. And I think we can just squeeze it in. Max is over there rounding up some lumber, and we'll have her in no time. This is what happens when you get your own house and you don't have your mom to say, "Don't do that!"
You have the easy job.
Hey, it's an easy job, but somebody's got to do it. I'll lower it. All right.
I'm actually holding this up.
Is there any way to heave-ho it in? Or want me to come and push?
I'm gonna help.
Well, that made too much sense. We're in. Ready, lady?
Ready?
You want me to push? Ready? Wait, easy. All right, good. She's in. Now we'll work it from there. This is my kitchen. Max and I built our house ourselves, as most people know. Our lovely kitchen.
Yeah, come on. Come on.
Just another normal day. And voila, it's in. Finally got it in through the door. Assembled it. There it is, all nice and rusty. Needs to be completely disassembled and completely renovated. But it is definitely cool. Someday it'll be definitely hot. Pretty neat how they design these things. You got an ash box, which is down way on the bottom. Then you got, I don't even know how this thing works to open up, or you drop it down through these things or whatever. And the heat comes up, goes across the top, goes down the sides, through under the back, and then up through this section of this chimney, and out the top, and right through the wall and out. And just heats up everything, and pretty cool. Sterling. A shot of what it looks like inside this thing. It's pretty neat. Nothing that a little sandblast and paint couldn't fix.